Today I'm going to show you how to use the split feature in Kami. When you opened up Kami and you have your PDF here, if you click on these three little lines up here in the upper right hand corner, click and you go to the split and merge document. It's going to prepare the document for merge split. It's going to process. Then you click continue to split merge. In here, it's going to add your files. Right here is the one that I'm wanting to split. So I'm going to click next. You could add more if you wanted to. And you'll see that I have my PDF and all the different pages in here. Now, I don't want to mess up my original one. So what I'm going to do is the pages that I need, I'm going to drag and drop down into a second column down here, second row. Down here, I have the pages now that I need. Say I only need these. I can come over here, give it a name, ducks, and then I can hit the export button. I can choose to download my files. I can open it up in Kami or I can save it straight to my Google Drive. I can select a folder where I want it to go in my Google Drive. I'm going to put it in my AMI for Teachers and say select. And then I'm going to say continue. This is a great way for you to get your PDFs when you have a whole bunch of them and you need to split them up and only use a few of the items from a single PDF. And you can see that I have successfully now downloaded it into my Google Drive. When I am done, all I have to do is click to close it and then I will be done. And that is how you go through and split files from a PDF.